Amazing act. Wow, National College के जोरदार तालियां. Big round of applause for the entire student of National College for giving amazing. All the students are there. Please also you also just can you take a photo.
One more time and thank you so much for starting the event with such a nice performance. एक बार फिर जोरदार तालियां हो जाए National College के students के लिए.
What an energy, and we have a lot of guests coming up. Deepti from 360, want to please come in? Yeah, from 360 team, Deepti. So as you see, जैसे हमने we've started with an energetic power.
हमारे साथ यहाँ पर आ चुके हैं. We have a lot of stars, a lot of guests over here, and of course a lot of our lovely audience. लेकिन कुछ बहुत ही जरूरी लोग हैं जिन्हें अभी स्टेज पर हमें बुलाना ही चाहिए. So let's start with the felicitation for the first round. सबसे पहले मैं अपनी टीम को बोलना चाहूँगी that we are going to begin with the felicitation. So kindly come forward.
So जैसे मैंने बताया, not only the school Apostolic Carmel for doing all sustainable causes along not only with the Bamla Foundation. Sister Snehanjali, she's the manager of Apostolic Carmel High School and Junior College, along with Sister Maria Suzette.
Come on audience, louder applause for these are our warriors, our on-ground
school. So right from the school to college, our children teaching them more about our environment. We have the school principal and the school manager, plus we have Neha Jatyani ji to Alka Girkar ma'am to. Please,
all of our warriors who do so much of work.
Yeah, ma'am, please present the trophy.
We are very happy to be a part of this foundation and do our small bit to save this Mother Earth of ours. Thank you very much, and may God continue to bless you for all the good that you are doing.
Hello everybody, sentence in Marathi. Please encourage me. घासल्याशिवाय धार नाही तलवारीचा पातीला. घासल्याशिवाय धार so far that you can't hear them anymore. Thank you so much.
Thank you Neha ma'am with all your golden words, but you want to be here with us since the evening has just begun. The guidance, our municipal, ex-municipal corporator Alka Tai will share a few thoughts.
Hello, good evening everybody. A star to each one of us here today, because this is the need of the hour. I congratulate Bhamla ji for organizing this awareness program.
जैसे आपने यहाँ पर देखा कि right from our school days to college, Neha ma'am and all over there, we have some wonderful faces here.
We can hear a huge
Samir
round of
Kadam ji,
applause for Mr. Paras.
Samir Kadam ji, please मंच पर आए आप. दादा please मंच पर आइए ना. समीर कदम जी आप please मंच पर ऊपर आए. साथ साथ हमारे बीच एसएमए ग्रुप के डायरेक्टर दानिश भाई है. दानिश भाई जी बहुत बहुत स्वागत आपका. ऑल द वे फ्रॉम उत्तर प्रदेश आप यहाँ आएंगे.
लेडी जो है बड़ा बाल खोल के बैठी है.
All the people who are being felicitated on the stage are our warriors.
Asif bhai, can we present this sapling to Paras? Aye, Zamir Dada, please come. She was Malaika Arora ji ke liye, because she was the one who actually participated in this whole video campaign of Bhumi Namaskar. And मैं चाहूँगा again contributed by our supporters and contributors. We have the team 361 Health. If they are there, I request them to please come on stage. Team 361 Wealth. So 361 with IFL have been always big supporter of Seher Bamla. I request you to please come on stage to present this lovely award. Asif Bamla ji, the Kapil Sharma show fame Kiku Sharda ji कोई नाम के मोहताज नहीं है. किकू जी please come on. कि वहाँ पर कपिल Sharma. Thank you Kiku ji. Your thoughts on environment, your thought on actually what climate change is.
No, but it's a great. Asif ji and the foundation, the Bamla Foundation, is doing a great, extremely grateful to them for taking up something like this. They've been doing it for years, and yeah. So thank you so much for having me over here.
टीकू जी जाने से पहले आपको एक ऐसी आपकी कोई हैबिट बतानी है, आपकी रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी की कोई हैबिट जो हमारे एनवायरनमेंट के लिए अच्छी है, जो सस्टेनेबल है नेचर में.
हैबिट तो अच्छी है, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी हैबिट्स है नहीं मुझे.
Of beat plastic pollution.
And it is a really big thing for you and the United Nations. Environment के बारे में आपको कोई अच्छी बातें, कुछ अच्छे influencers, कुछ अच्छे stars जिसके बारे में केयर करते हैं, उनसे मिलाने की एक छोटी सी कोशिश करते हैं. तो आज a lot more stars and a lot more personalities are going to join us over here. और वो सब आपसे ही मिलने के लिए यहाँ पर आए हैं. तो आपसे एक छोटी सी गुजारिश है to maintain an
एनवायरमेंट की इम्पोर्टेंस समझे और एनवायरमेंट को लेकर के हम वो ऐसे छोटे छोटे कदम उठाए जो मिलकर के एक बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट हमारी धरती पे पड़ता है. आई एम सीइंग लॉट ऑफ आवर. आप देखोगे कि आज की तारीख में जब उसको दी गई और इतना अच्छा इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट हुआ कि हमारे पास जो हमारा एयर क्वालिटी लेवल था वो 15 दिन के अंदर नीचे आ गया. दैट वाज कंप्लीटली कंट्रोल्ड बाय श्री एकनाथ शिंदे जी, बिकॉज ही इज बीन डूइंग फैंटास्टिक जॉब. उन्हीं की टीम के हम कमला जी प्लीज मंच पर आए. आप भी
अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं और अल्लाह पाक आपको ऐसे ही खूब तरक्की दे, ऊपर वाला आप लोगों को और हम सबको ऐसे ही छोड़े.
आपने बहुत सारी बातें बताई, लेकिन आपने ये नहीं बताया कि आपकी रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी की ऐसी कौन सी हैबिट है जो एनवायरनमेंट के लिए भी अच्छी है.
मैं I don't use plastic, so basically the best part. I don't. Give it up for our rock star Seher.
क्या बात है, जोरदार तालियां
Seher. Seher, please, thank you so much.
थैंक यू सो मच.
single use plastic actually is really bad for our hair, for our mother nature. All the lovely faces have been joining this campaign. So yes, Madhya, we have spoken about उसको conserve करके रहेंगे. उसी में बहुत बड़ा योगदान along with the Bamla Foundation, the entire Godrej community, the Godrej generation restoration को simplify करें अपने देसी language में. So we came up with a theme, भूमि नमस्कार. जब हम बात करते हैं
जनरेशन रेस्टोरेशन की जब हम बात कर रहे हैं, तो मैंने आप लोगों को कुछ देर पहले ही बताया था कि आने वाले 5 सालों में सबसे ज्यादा जॉब्स एनवायरनमेंट और सस्टेनेबिलिटी के सेक्टर में होने वाले हैं. तो हम चाहे या हम ना चाहे,
talk about numbers and talk about restoring. How do we restore this? How do we simplify this message of generation restoration to the masses of India? And we came up with the theme भूमि नमस्कार. जब हम कहते हैं कि भूमि नमस्कार, हम सूर्य नमस्कार करते हैं, हम भगवान को प्रार्थना करते हैं, हम अल्लाह की प्रार्थना करते हैं. बट मौजूद चुके जोरदार तालियां
आशीष शेलार जी के लिए. We also have director R. Balgi in the house, ladies and gentlemen. Please give a huge round of applause to both of them.
Malaika Arora and Ashish Shelar ji greeting each other. Mr. R. Balki, the man behind Bhumi Namaskar. And absolutely, this is completely impossible without Godrej, the team. See you around. Hi, Michelle. Yeah. So we have the big round of applause for entire Godrej team for supporting this cause and this campaigns with the agencies and stakeholders. About let's have a review of that.
मैं हूँ मधी. हम लोग काफी देर से यहाँ पर हैं, गर्मी बहुत ज्यादा है और बार बार मैं आपको कह रही हूँ ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज, ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज. इरिटेशन होता होगा, राइट? लेकिन एक बार फिर मैं आप लोगों को जस्ट फॉर सॉलिडारिटी, यू नो, है कहीं पैकेजिंग के जरिए, पानी के जरिए, प्लास्टिक आपके सिस्टम में, आपके डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में चला जाता है एक क्रेडिट कार्ड जितना. Us today for this campaign, Firstly, thank you so much for joining.
Really working.
चलते रहे पीछे समाज.
No, but we really want to.
Requested to come on stage. And Nazma, please. Ashish ji, your thoughts on this world environment?
Let me congratulate Asif bhai and Bamla Foundation for organizing such a wonderful event.
Of course, you do that every year. And World Environment Day, many times you have seen the events and exactly the same thing. That the population, the communication, the dialogue with the society with a very correct way and correct participation, as we have seen today. Malaika ji is here, and therefore I think this kind of bond for the betterment of the society on the World Environment Day itself, I think, which is a very great thing to do. Sustainability, to see that the no negative impact can come on the environmental issues as such concern, and let's work together for the same. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू आशीष शर्मा जी, बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने। हमारा हर एक वो योगदान हमारी धरती के लिए बहुत इम्पैक्टफुल रहेगा। जैसे
Privileged to be part of it. I'm not here to give you any unnecessary, unsolicited advice. But as a citizen, as a responsible citizen, all I would say is do your bit for your environment, do your bit for whatever is close to you. I think we always say a little bit, and everybody sitting here tonight, thank you all for being.
Because I know if he comes earlier, he might leave earlier. So that's why I want him to stay back for some time to undo the poster. Idea of SIRS, and we suddenly developed that, and fortunately we had great people, great minds. Of course, Shan is there, who's curated the campaign. We have Aman, who has done fabulous, getting more better work done, if you remember Balki, because he really did sang it, and number of actors. And Ashish, I will request you to also share that campaign once it's out in the public domain. So that also will send a good message across to all of them. Of course, the stars are going to share it on their platform, but it's going to be by far the biggest campaign with the United Nations Environment Programme, and of course the Mahanagar Palika also. Let me tell you, they've also. So let us make the Honorable Commissioner sit there for a minute, because we need to. Okay. We will call him to unveil that with Balki sir. Mr. Bush curated this beautiful campaign for us. So everyone.
I think these kind of events, these kind of initiatives are so important. We can see every day how our world is literally going down in front of us. I'm not going to give too much of gyan because we get too much of that all the time. But what we can do is, we are in the land of Mahatma Gandhi. We have all of
Disha, if she's around, please come on stage. If Disha is around, Jagu Dada is a people man. वो लोगों के साथ घुल रहे, मिल रहे. But if I have someone from Mufti, Andrew Kushlan.
पता नहीं मेरी बातों का कितना ही असर होगा आप पे, लेकिन मैं कहना चाहती हूँ कि आप थोड़ा सा डेकोरम मेंटेन करें। काफ़ी लोग आ रहे हैं, काफ़ी लोग जाएंगे, आपसे मिल रहे हैं, वो है यहाँ पर, तो आप थोड़ा सा डेकोरम मेंटेन करें। स्पेशली ये जो फ्रंट साइड है यहाँ पर, अगर आपका कोई बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट काम नहीं है तो आपसे रिक्वेस्ट होगी कि आप बैठ जाएं आराम से। ऑल ऑफ आर लवली स्टार्स आर इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, पीपल जिन्हें हम यूजुअली स्क्रीन्स पर देखते हैं, न्यूज़पेपर्स में देखते हैं, अपनी मोबाइल की छोटी सी स्क्रीन पर देखते हैं, वो आज यहाँ पर हमारे बीच आए हैं। दे ऑल कम फॉर यू, आपसे मिलने के लिए, आपसे बातें करने के लिए ही यहाँ पर आए हैं। अब हम बांद्रा में जहाँ खड़े हैं, यहाँ पे रोज़ाना आप लोग वॉक करते हैं, समथिंग दैट्स वेरी गुड फॉर यू एंड फॉर द एनवायरनमेंट ऑल्सो। आज उसी जगह पर हम यहाँ पर ये इवेंट होल्ड कर रहे हैं, एंड एवरीबडी हु इज हियर इज फॉर यू। सो वंस बी सीटेड and enjoy the entire event as it flows. जैसे कि मैंने कहा, ऐसा नहीं लगता कि कोई बहुत ज़्यादा सुनने वाला है।
नहीं मुझे सुन रहे लोग।
Such a humble man.
जोरदार तालियां for Jackie Shroff जी।
He has been roaming around, वो सभी लोगों से मिल रहे हैं, and let me tell you that this is one thing about Jaguda. एक इंसान से मिलते हमारे ऑफिस आए थे। Everybody from the IT people, people who were there in the pantry. A man with a golden heart, ladies and gentlemen, give a huge round of applause to Jackie Shroff.
Jaguda, we going to unveil the poster of Bhumi Namaskar. So I request the Honorable Municipal Commissioner Bhushan Gagrani ji to please come on stage. Jagu Dada. तो जैसे हम लोग कहते हैं कि मुंबई के दो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट प्लेयर हैं, दो बहुत जिम्मेदार कंधों पर, एक है मुंबई पुलिस और एक है मुंबई महानगर को एक साथ इकट्ठा करने में जिसने बहुत बड़ा रोल अदा किया फिर है द Godrej Industries. I would request Mr. Nadir Godrej to please come on stage. Mr. Please come on stage along with the man who created Bhumi Namaskar, Mr. R. Balki, also to please come on stage.
पीछे हो जाओ, पीछे हो जाओ,
पीछे हो जाओ यार. Music, the wonderful people coming on stage and talking about one single agenda, which is environment. And Jackie Dada, please.
रवीना जी, हेलो.
आप आगे आए, जग्गू दादा.
जब वक्त का पूर्ण प्रयोग करें, हर एक इंसान से मिले. He's right now.
Please come on stage, Sudesh. Bhavin, we are going to unveil the poster of Bhumi Namaskar. Are we ready?
केशव.
So, I request everybody in the audience here on stage to please turn around and have a look at the launch of Bhumi Namaskar. Bhavin? So this is Tunu Mukherjee to please come on stage. We have Mr. Shankar Mahadevan, Jackie Shroff जी please आगे आए. उसमें भी झाड़ आपके हाथ में झाड़ है आपके झाड़. साथ Mr. Aman Khan, the music director of Bhumi Namaskar to please come on stage along with Mr. Varun Dhawan. अभी अपने Bhumi Namaskar के लोगों को बताएं.
Very warm evening to everybody. I request
थोड़ा पीछे.
Jackie Dada, आप आइए. You are the face of the campaign.
इधर. इधर भाई. हाँ मेरी. इधर.
स्वयं एक शुभ सगुन की बात है. Please, can we have you? And of course the man who thought about the entire thing. और अमन जी आप भी आइए यहाँ. Romanchak is when it heard the theme, which was curated by Mr. Balki, it lent us the logo of the Mahanagar Palika, the background support of the gardens, which was supported by Mr. Vispute ji. Vispute ji, our local HVAC is around here. A very big round of applause sir. Vispute ji की शिकायत रहती है कि हम जाते हुए जो हम कभी भूल भी जाते हैं, जो इस बार आपकी शिकायत. थैंक यू सो मच. तो मैं चाहूँगा कि सबसे पहले जो है राहुल ना
Thank you, Jaggu Dada.
जय महाराष्ट्र.
And Mr. Nadir Godrej. Thank you so much. अब मैं Rishabh and Vardhaman Chowks will please join this. Few more palace station I would request Mr. Neha Jagtiani ji also to please come and award and receive the award from Mr. Nadir Godrej and Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji.
भाई थोड़ा पीछे लेके पीछे करो ना. रमेश पीछे लो.
Team bestseller to please come up and receive the award from bestseller. Team Mufti. Mr. Tushar Malhotra ji from Bristol to please receive this award. This award by Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji to Neha Jagtiani ji. To present it to Bistari. Mr. Tushar Hiranandani to please receive this award. It is here Mr. Tushar Hiranandani ji. And Mr. Subodh Runwal from Runwal Group is requested to please come on stage. Mr. Subodh Runwal. High backs here we have Shreya to please receive the award. Shreya and Asif to receive the award. Everglow. Everglow.
team together.
Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji to felicitate Mr. Inder Kataria. I will request Ashik Khanna ji to give away this.
And once again, I request Ms. Rashi to kindly present this second award as well.
That we have been doing over the years it may be the beat plastic pollution, it may be the biodiversity. तो इसके पीछे there's एक ही सोच है. The source and force behind this World Environment Day over the years, and the chairman and the president of Bhamla Foundation, Asif, had that thought, who took the initiative of creating this whole awareness drive for over 12 years with the United Nations Environment Program. ये आपके काम को हर जगह सराहा गया है, and we as Team Bhamla Foundation ये प्रयास हमेशा से करती आई है कि हम इस जनरेशन को, आने वाली जनरेशन को वो सब कुछ. I hope we are ready with the technicals. Akanksha Malhotra ji, again an eco champ. She's been associated with the foundation over the years. A small sapling by Seher Bhamla. Yeah, definitely you should share your thoughts on this environment.
Good evening, everybody. It's such a pleasure to be here. I think it's such a great cause the Bhamla Foundation is doing. We all need to be so aware of the environment, and like I said, planting trees, trying to retain all our greenery. I know they have these cleanup facilities for the beaches, which is, I think, so important because we all get so engulfed, and we are all so busy with our daily mundane activities that it is so important for all of us to take out time to save our earth. Because if we don't have these trees and we don't have our mother nature, we very soon lives will just wither away. The way animals are withering away, humans will start withering away. So I think it's a great initiative. Yes. So it's a great initiative, and heartiest congratulations and all the best. And here's to many, many more.
Thank you, Akansha ji. Thank you for being here. Here's your sapling. Sarah will help you. Now we'll have National College for the audience.
Much for introduction. सबसे पहले तो मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि ये बहुत ही बड़ा इनिशिएटिव लिया गया है भामला फाउंडेशन और हमारे बीएमसी की तरफ से, जो भूमि नमस्कार है, और यही सही वक्त है हमें सबको एक होके इसकी तरफ ज़्यादा ध्यान देना चाहिए, क्योंकि हमारे फ्यूचर जनरेशन की बात है. अगर हम अभी से शुरुआत करेंगे तो आगे हमारे फ्यूचर जनरेशन के लिए अच्छा होगा. सो लेट्स प्लांट मोर ट्रीज दिस ईयर एंड नेक्स्ट ईयर एंड उसके आगे भी, एंड लेट्स कंट्रीब्यूट आवर थिंग टू भूमि नमस्कार.
क्या बात है पारस, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दोस काइंड वर्ड्स एंड एवरीथिंग दैट यू डू.
वेरी फेमस डायरेक्टर श्रीकांत, तुषार हीरानंदानी, जोरदार तालियां. तुषार, इनका काम आपने हमेशा कैमरा के पीछे देखा है. ऐसी कई सारी मूवीज जो तुषार जी खुद बताएंगे. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट, इज पार्ट ऑफ द भामला फाउंडेशन, ही इज पार्ट ऑफ भूमि नमस्कार, जो हमने कैंपेन क्रिएट किया है. तो तुषार हैज बीन विद अस ओवर द ईयर. जोरदार तालियां फॉर तुषार हीरानंदानी जी.
एक मूवी का नाम नहीं बताया.
आफाक मोहम्मद जी, प्लीज मंच पर आ जाएं. आप समीर दादा आपको याद करें प्लीज. मैं चाहूंगा कि एक सैपलिंग पारस कलावत को आसिफ बामला जी, समीर कदम दादा अपने हाथों से देंगे. आसिफ बामला जी.
Can we hear a huge round of applause from all of our audience members present over here? All the people who are being felicitated on the stage are our warriors.
Asif bhai, can we present this sapling to Paras? Aye, Samir Dada, please come. Samir Dada, Arun, Inder, and Afaq to give away this small sapling to Paras Kalawat. Thank you. अब मैं चाहूंगा कि आसिफ बामला जी, पारस जी, तो ये बातें जब हम सुनते हैं तो राइट, आई बीन जस्ट सेइंग ऑल दिस कि the climate change is for real. People are actually talking about it and people are suffering. 2024 is hit by the highest record of by 51 degree in फेम किकू शारदा जी कोई नाम के मोहताज नहीं है. किकू जी प्लीज कम ऑन स्टेज and present this wonderful trophy to Deepti.
क्या बात है, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए उनको जो हर शाम हमें जोरदार हंसाते हैं. मिस्टर कीकू शारदा इज हियर विद अस. आई लव द एंथुसियाज्म गाइस. And this is a felicitation for 361
And
for
Kiku
Miss
ji, without
Deepti.
आपकी वो सारी बातें कि वहाँ पर कपिल thank you Deepti ji. Your thoughts on environment, your thought on actually what climate change is.
No, but it's a great initiative and it's extremely important. बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम environment के लिए कुछ करें. तो मतलब मेरा बस मानना है कि the least we can do is take care of the environment because this is where we live. ये हमारी ज़मीन है, हम यहाँ पर हैं और हम सुरक्षित हैं क्योंकि environment है. अगर हम गलत करेंगे हमारे साथ गलत होगा, ये तो खैर जाहिर सी बात है. But anyways, thank you for having me here and Asif ji and the foundation, the Bamla Foundation is doing a great job and I'm extremely grateful to them for taking up something like this. They've been doing it for years and yeah, so thank you so much for having me over here.
Thank you
कीकू
Kiku ji.
जाने से पहले आपको एक ऐसी आपकी कोई हैबिट बतानी है, आपकी रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी की कोई हैबिट जो हमारे एनवायरनमेंट के लिए अच्छी है, जो सस्टेनेबल है नेचर में.
हैबिट जो अच्छी है, बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी हैबिट्स है नहीं मुझ में, कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ी चलता है मेरी जिंदगी में. बट क्या कहूँ, आई गेस दी ओनली थिंग, आई डोंट नो अगर आपने इंस्टाग्राम में वीडियोस देखे होंगे मेरे, तो घर पे बहुत प्लांट्स हैं मेरे जिनसे मैं बड़ा प्यार करता हूँ. एंड यू नो आई मेक इट अ पॉइंट दैट नॉट एवरी डे बट देयर आर सर्टेन डेज जब आई वाटर द प्लांट्स एंड इवन आई टॉक टू द प्लांट्स. बड़ा मजा आता है, आप भी ट्राई करके देखिए. अगर आप अपने प्लांट से बातें करें, जवाब तो वो नहीं दे पाते हैं लेकिन बातें करके बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. So yeah, that's probably the only thing, one of the only things that I do. Yeah, thank you.
आपको तो जरूर जवाब देते होंगे. Thank you Kiku ji, thank you for all and I will going to see you. कपिल शर्मा शो तो हम देखते हैं, बट आपने जिस तरह से लोगों को हंसाया है और एक थेरेपी दी है, which has always been great. And we seeing a lot of other places. गौर गोपाल दास जी, बहुत धन्यवाद आपका आने का, आपका आशीर्वाद है.
Maintain a little bit of decorum while all of that happens, right Miraj?
So जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ सब जितने people from politics, people from entertainment, from Bollywood, all coming for a single cause of भूमि नमस्कार on the World Environment Day को लेकर के हम वो ऐसे छोटे कदम उठाए जो मिल करके एक बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट हमारी धरती पे पड़ता है. आई एम सीइंग लॉट ऑफ आवर गेस्ट. जान खान हमारे छोटे भाई and actually his team Bamla Foundation is here with me. आप देखोगे कि आज की तारीख में
बताया था कि आने वाले 5 सालों में सबसे ज्यादा जॉब्स एनवायरनमेंट और सस्टेनेबिलिटी की सेक्टर में होने वाले हैं. तो हम चाहे या हम ना चाहे, पर हमें जनरेशन रेस्टोरेशन यानी कि जो कुछ भी हमने लूज किया है उसको रिस्टोर करने वाली जनरेशन हमको बनना ही पड़ेगा, क्योंकि हमारे आस-पास
simplify this message of generation restoration to the masses of India and we came up with a theme भूमि नमस्कार. जब हम कहते हैं कि भूमि नमस्कार, हम सूर्य नमस्कार करते हैं, हम भगवान को प्रार्थना करते हैं, हम अल्लाह की प्रार्थना करते हैं, बट जिसकी हमें असल में प्रार्थना करना चाहिए, दुआ करना चाहिए, जिसकी हमें इबादत करना चाहिए, वो हमारी भूमि है, वो हमारी ज़मीन है. और इस कैंपेन को क्रिएट करने में जब हमारी थॉट्स हमारे ग्रेट आर बाल्की सर के साथ हमने शेयर किया, तो हमने इस वर्ड को जनरेट किया भूमि नमस्कार, जो आने वाले दिनों में हिंदुस्तान में इस तरह से वो मैसेज फैलाएगा कि हम अपने पर्यावरण को लेकर के कितने सतर्क रहें. और हमारे बीच हमारे इस भूमि नमस्कार के कैंपेन को चार चांद लगाने के लिए बामला फाउंडेशन के परिवार, एक्चुअली हमारे यहाँ के आमदार एडवोकेट आशीष शेलार जी यहाँ पर मौजूद चुके. जोरदार तालियां
आशीष शेलार जी के लिए. We also have director R Balki in the house, ladies and gentlemen. Please give a huge round of applause to both of them.
Malaika Arora and Ashish Shelarji greeting each other. Mr. R. Balki, the man behind Bhumi Namaskar. And absolutely, this was completely impossible without Godrej, the team of Godrej, Godrej Property, Godrej Industries and Godrej Lafair, who's been contributing to this great campaign of Bhumi Namaskar. Michelle, if I could just see you around. Hi, Michelle. Yeah. So we have the big round of applause for entire Godrej team for supporting this cause and putting all their efforts to create this environment initiative of Bhumi Namaskar and also going into sustainable way. आशीष शेलार जी हमारे पास मौजूद हैं और साथ ही साथ में आर बाल्की जी हैं, आसिफ बामला जी इनको रिसीव करते हुए, नेहा जगत्यानी मैम इज ऑल्सो हियर, गौर गोपाल जी, हम कैंप हमारे यहाँ के आमदार आशीष शेलार जी प्लीज मंच पर आए अलॉन्ग विद मलाइका अरोरा जी, तो प्लीज कम ऑन स्टेज, जोरदार तालियां एंड प्लीज वेलकम एडवोकेट आशीष शेलार.
अरोरा, a woman जिनका नाम ही उनके काम के लिए काफी है, मलाइका अरोरा, and of course we have Mr. Ashish Shelar, who does not know him. Both of them are here with us today for this campaign. Firstly, thank you so much for joining us.
दानिश भाई से भी रिक्वेस्ट है कि प्लीज वो मंच पर आए एंड आसिफ बामला जी अलॉन्ग विद सहर.
Ladies first से start करते हैं. We'll start
Dr.
with
Jayashri Sharad and Elnaz Nausir, please requested to come on stage. Elnaz ma'am, please.
संजय
Ashish ji, your thoughts on this World Environment Day?
Let me congratulate Asif Bhai and Bhamla Foundation for organizing such a wonderful event. Of course, you do that every year. And World Environment Day, many times you have seen the events and the discussions which only lie between the boardrooms. Actually, what needs to be done? What are the impacts of our act? How it is causing a danger to the society, to the marine life, to the common man, that needs to be presented innovatively. And what Bhamla Foundation is doing exactly the same thing, that the percolation, the communication, the dialogue with the society with a very correct way and correct participation, as we have seen today. Malaika ji is here, and therefore I think this kind of bond for the betterment of the society on the World Environment Day itself, I think, which is a very great thing to do. I congratulate Bhamla Foundation. I request all the citizens also to participate by their own way to achieve the sustainability, to see that the no negative impact can come on the environmental issues as such concern, and let's work together for the same. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू आशीष शेलार जी, बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने. हमारा हर एक वो योगदान हमारी धरती के लिए बहुत इम्पैक्टफुल रहेगा. जैसे मलाइका जी ने इस भूमि नमस्कार ने अपना योगदान दिया है. आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट मलाइका जी टू प्लीज शेयर अ थॉट ऑन भूमि नमस्कार ऑन वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे.
Thank you very much. Namaskar, everybody. Firstly, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the Bhamla Foundation, Asif and his wonderful daughter Seher, for making us part of this beautiful campaign, Bhumi Namaskar. I feel truly proud and privileged to be part of it. I'm not here to give you any unnecessary, unsolicited advice. But as a citizen, as a responsible citizen, all I would say is do your bit for your environment, do your bit for whatever is close to you. I think we always say कि a little bit of help starts at home. बाहर जाने से पहले घर पे start कीजिए. I think that is the most important. And small efforts eventually become big and eventually make a lot of difference in life. So yes, once again, I feel humbled to be standing on the stage with such amazing people. So thank you so much. Sheilaji, it is wonderful to be here for all that you do for our community and everybody sitting here tonight. Thank you all for being present over here. And once again, I'd like to congratulate the Bhamla Foundation. Keep doing the wonderful work that you do. We are just happy to be part of it, and we will extend our support year after year after year. So thank you so much.
Thank you, and you did actually, Malaika, you know, with all your contribution for the Bhumi Namaskar, which is the campaign which is launching on the 11th, which you're going to see.
Let me give a little heads up on the Bhumi Namaskar campaign, since our Ashish Shelarji is also here. that this is a campaign that's curated by R. Balki ji. I am perpetually not calling R. Balki ji earlier because I know if he comes earlier, he might leave earlier. So that's why I want him to stay back for some time to unveil the poster. But it was an idea of Sir's, and we suddenly developed that. And fortunately, we had great people, great minds. Of course, Shan is there, who's curated the campaign. We have Aman, who has done fabulous, who's done the music of Bhumi Namaskar. He has done a fabulous job. Thank you so much, Aman. And of course, the stars who made it big, right from Abhishek Bachchan to Varun Dhawan to Malaika ji to the great man Jackie Shroff. A very big hand to him. He has done it so fabulously that Balki ji, when he saw the clips, he got more motivated towards getting more better work done. If you remember Balki ji, because he really did it with the zeal, the heart in which he does it. Thank you so much, Jackie Dada. And there were all many. We have Shreya Ghoshal ji who sang it, and number of actors. And Ashish ji, I will request you to also share that campaign once it's out in the public domain. So that also will send a good message across to all of them. Of course, the stars are going to share it on their platforms, but it's going to be by far the biggest campaign with the United Nations Environment Programme. And of course the Mahanagar Palika also. Let me tell you, they've also supported this campaign in all ways. We've had Bisleri who has supported this campaign in a very big way. I have my dearest friend from Bisleri also who's here. And so Mr. Angelo is supposed to come here, but he's not here. We have the Honorable Commissioner here also. Sir, just make the Honorable Commissioner sit there for a minute because we need to... Okay. We will call him to unveil that with Balki sir. Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji, a very, very big round of applause. I can't hear you guys. Come on, जोरदार तालियों से महानगर पालिका के महाआयुक्त हमारे भूषण गगरानी जी यहाँ हैं, आर बाल्की साहब के बाजू में बैठे हुए हैं. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर. Balki sir, that is Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji, our commissioner. And Balki sir is the man who curated this beautiful campaign for us. So everyone, once again, thank you. And I think Ashish ji should be Baki ka you
Absolutely, Asif bhai, you said it right. And to present us happening to Ashish Shelar ji. Do we have a representative from Mufti? Please come on stage. Disha. And all like-minded people are here. Enlaz Naraoji, the beautiful actress. Enlaz will receive a sapling from Malaika. Anasia, your thoughts on the environment?
Hi everyone, I'm not going to take much of your time. Thank you for having me. Thank you. Special thanks to Bhamla Foundation. I think these kind of events, these kind of initiatives are so important. We can see every day how our world is literally going down in front of us. I'm not going to give too much of gyan because we get too much of that all the time. But what we can do is, we are in the land of Mahatma Gandhi. All of us have heard, be the change that you want to see in the world. So I start with myself. I try to save water. I try to recycle. Today I'm wearing a dress I've worn before. I know many times we hear actors don't repeat their outfits, but here I am saying we should save energy. We should do, as Malaika very beautifully said, whatever is in front of you, that is what you can do. If you say, one person se to kuch nahi hota hai, hota hai actually. If 1 million people say, mujhse kuch nahi hoga, then we have 1 million, yes, then we have a problem. So please start with yourself, and thank you so much again for having me. This is something I really love to support. Yes. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very much.
You need to present one award. I request Rich Boys, Gaurav Rich Boys, and Niti Goel to please come on stage. Can I have a trophy for Niti Goel ji, Nari Niti? She's been supporting this cyclothon on the World Environment Day, plus all the support to the Bamla Foundation, and he herself has established of Niti Goyal ji. I would request Malaika and Ashish Shilaji to present this beautiful trophy to Mrs. Niti Goyal ji. Please join. And another Green Crusader award to Rich Boy teams. Ashish Shilarji, a small Alana, you.
We welcome
absolutely.
Mr. Nadir Godrej. A very, very big round of applause for Nadir Godrej, sir. Michelle, thank you for escorting with sir. A very, very big round of applause for our very, very, very dearest and very nearest patron of the foundation, Nadir Godrej, sir. Thank you so much. I'm so honored that you have been such an inspiration on sustainability, and we learned so much from you, and you always religiously come here. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. और आप देख रहे हैं, we have the Honorable Municipal Commissioner of MCGM and Administrator, Mr. Bhushan Gagrani is here. Okay.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, please give all of them a huge round of applause. Thank you so much for taking out time and being over here for us, for the environment. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Malaika Arora, Ashish Shelar, and for all of our delegates who are here on stage with us.
Thank you. तो जैसे कि आपने देखा मधिया की people from all walks of life. If I say I'm talking about environment, it's just not that I'm an activist or a
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a lot of guests, a lot of stars coming in over here. We have Rashi Khanna, जिन्होंने अभी हमें यहाँ पे ज्वाइन किया है. और एक बार फिर पता नहीं मेरी बातों का कितना ही असर होगा आप पे, लेकिन मैं कहना चाहती हूँ कि आप थोड़ा सा डेकोरम मेंटेन करें. काफ़ी लोग आ रहे हैं, काफ़ी लोग जाएंगे, आपसे मिल रहे हैं, वो है यहाँ पर. तो आप थोड़ा सा डेकोरम मेंटेन करें. स्पेशली ये जो फ्रंट साइड है यहाँ पर, अगर आपका कोई बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट काम नहीं है तो आपसे रिक्वेस्ट होगी कि आप बैठ जाएं आराम से. All of our lovely stars are influencers, people जिन्हें हम यूजुअली स्क्रीन्स पर देखते हैं, न्यूज़पेपर्स में देखते हैं, अपनी मोबाइल की छोटी सी स्क्रीन पर देखते हैं, वो आज यहाँ पर हमारे बीच आए हैं. They all come for you, आपसे मिलने के लिए, आपसे बातें करने के लिए ही यहाँ पर आए हैं. अब हम बैंड्रा में जहाँ खड़े हैं, यहाँ पे रोजाना आप लोग वॉक करते हैं. Something that's very good for you and for the environment also. 80 people, to the people who were there in the pantry. A man with a golden heart, ladies and gentlemen, give a huge round of applause to Jackie Shroff.
जगो दादा, भूमि नमस्कार. Bhavin, we're going to unveil the poster of Bhumi Namaskar. Roy also to please come on stage. Mr. R. Balki, zordar taaliyan for all these wonderful people. And Mr. Gaur Gopal Das also to please come on stage. You can see these wonderful people coming on stage and talking about one single agenda, which is environment. And Jackie Dada, please. आप आगे आए जगू दादा.
जगू दादा वक्त का पूर्ण प्रयोग करें, हर एक इंसान से मिले. He is right now meeting a lot of people on backstage side. लेकिन जगू जी, we request you to please join us on stage.
Siddesh Sharma ji from Baidyanath to please come on stage. Siddesh. Bhavin, we are going to unveil the poster of Bhumi Namaskar. Are we ready? So. So Asim, I want all this eyes on the screen as we're going to launch Mr. Nadir Godrej ji, the campaign of Bhumi Namaskar. So I request everybody in the audience and on stage to please turn around and have a look at the launch of Bhumi Namaskar. Bhavin? So this is World Environment Day. लोगों को बताएं.
A very warm evening to everybody. I request the Honorable Municipal Commissioner, sir, to please come here. Jackie Dada, aap aiye. You're the face of the campaign. Gaur Gopal Das. We always need a very religiously right person to give the blessings when वो कहते हैं ना शुभ शगुन मानते हैं और भूमि नमस्कार स्वयं एक शुभ शगुन की बात है. Mr. Godrej, please can we have you? And of course the man who thought about the entire team, Mr. R. Balki is here. Can I also request Romanchak Arora, if you don't mind? Romanchak, can we have you on the stage? Romanchak is, as usual, a very casual man, unlike me. Huh? Rashi Khanna ji, aap bhi aiye with, on the left. So let me first tell you all that Mahanagar Palika, when it heard the theme, which was curated by Mr. Balki, it lended us the support of offering us the logo of the Mahanagar Palika, the backdrop support of the gardens, which was supported by Mr. Visputeji. Visputeji is our local H-West ward officer. Is he around here? A very, very big round of applause, sir. विस्पुते की शिकायत रहती है कि हम अमूमन भूल जाते हैं उन्हें, जो हम कभी भूल भी जाते हैं. लो इस बार आपकी शिकायत कोई नहीं रहेगी सर. थैंक यू सो मच. तो मैं चाहूँगा कि सबसे पहले जो है हमारे जो मार्गदर्शक है मिस्टर गोदरेज, in a very short way, if you can explain a little bit of and on environment. I would like to begin with Mr. Godrej because he has been a great inspiration to us, a man who we look up and upon to for all our environmental endeavors, because Godrej as a corporate has been a very sustainable brand. So without taking a lot of time, I give Mr. Nadir Godrej Zordar Taliyon se. I can't hear your voice. Zordar Taliyon se. A very big round of applause to Godrej. If I can also request Michelle to please come up on the stage. Thank you so much. And if I request my friend from Bistari, please, my dear friend, please come over. Rahul, na? So let me begin with Mr. Nadir Godrej saying a few words. Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone, welcome. It is no longer climate change within a tolerable range. A crisis is what it's about, with fires, floods, as well as drought. And on this world environment,
झाड़ लगाने की कोशिश करो और दिमाग शांत रखो. कोशिश करो एनवायरनमेंट, जैसा बामला बाबा बताते रहते हैं, हर साल नहीं, हर 3 महीने में कुछ ना कुछ करते रहते, वैसे करते रहे वो. और आप लोग भी करो साथ में मिलके. एक का ही काम नहीं है, सबका काम है बॉस. We all are responsible for what we are leaving behind for the children. कोई इंग्लिश समझ में आता है, पीछे वाले को नहीं आता होगा तो नहीं, खुद सुना तो सुना ठीक, नहीं सुना तो नहीं सुना, मगर झाड़ लगा रहे. देख कहाँ से झाड़ निकल रहे, ले बाज देख ले. अगर अभी नहीं निकालेंगे झाड़, हर जगह से तुम्हारे झाड़ ही होना चाहिए. ऑटो रिक्शा में होना चाहिए, समझा? ऑटो रिक्शा भर के होना चाहिए. सब ऑटो रिक्शा में लगाओ, मैं तो बोलता हूँ. और मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि उनकी यूनियन से बात करके दे दूं. बाकी आप बड़े सब लोगों को, बाल्की साहब थैंक यू, शान सुपर, थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू बडीज,
थँक यू.
सबको बहुत बहुत प्यार. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र. जास्त टेन्शन घ्यायचं नाही, झाडं लावायचं.
I request R. Balki ji, please, a few words on exactly the beautiful campaign which you created on Bhumi Namaskar.
I don't think I could have said it better than what Jackie has done. But I think just one thing, we all say namaskar to a lot of people, a lot of things every day. At least sometimes, let's just do namaskar to the earth. And that's all this campaign is. I hope you all know what has to be done. The number of things that need to be really urgently addressed. And Mr. Bamla will tell you this every 3 months, every day of the year. And I just want to say, the World Environment Day is not one day, it's every day of our lives.
Thank you, Mr. Balki ji. And I request Mr. Gaur Gopal Das ji to please share your thoughts on this wonderful day.
It's my great pleasure, privilege and honor to be here this evening, and I want to thank Mr. Rasid Bamla and the Bamla Foundation to give me this opportunity to be here this evening. My respects to all the dignitaries present here on the stage and off the dais as well. Let me just tell you a quick story that probably tells us what we need to do in regards to environment and our life as well. Once a teacher asked a class of 7-year-olds and gave them an assignment. The assignment was, he said, I want all of you to write a sentence. And the kids thought that's not a big deal. Yeah, but my condition is, it should be a sentence of 10 words. The kid said, that's not a big deal as well, writing a sentence of 10 words. The teacher said, but I want each word to be a 2-lettered word. If, be, to, me. So 10 words in a sentence, but each word to be only 2 letters. Now the kids were thinking it's a difficult assignment. And then the teacher said, most important of all, I want it to be a meaningful sentence. Otherwise you could say, if be, me, to, but. If be, me, to, is. The kids scratched their heads and they just couldn't come to a conclusion. And finally the teacher wrote on the board the first 5 words of the 10-worded sentence. If it is to be. If it is to be. And the kids were wondering what are the next 5 words of the sentence. And the teacher wrote on the board, if it is to be, and the next 5 words were, it is up to me. If it is to be, it is up to me, right? If we are wanting the environment to change, don't think the other don't think the other person. Our Jackie Dada says all the time, "Jhad patti lagane ka bidu." Make some loud noise for Jackie Dada, guys. And he said so beautifully that it's not one person's responsibility, it is our responsibility together to make that change so the future will be bright. My congratulations to Bhalki sir and the entire team for coming up with this Bhumi Namaskar campaign. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Your every statement, what you say is very thoughtful, and we follow you. I request Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji to please say a few words.
On behalf of Municipal Corporation of Mumbai, I wish all the best and my best compliments on this World Environment Day program. We are very proud to associate ourselves with Bhamla Foundation, who have been doing this phenomenal job. As a Mumbaikar, you may take a pride with the fact that ours is the first city of India which has done the climate budgeting. Now you may ask, what is that climate budgeting? So I'm not going to describe the technical details, but as Guruji just said, if it is to be, then we have to be there. So it is up to me. जाकी दादाने आपल्याला सगळ्यांना सांगितलं झाड लावा. मी त्याच्या पुढे जाऊन एक पाऊल सांगतो की झाड लावा आणि झाड जगवा. So thank you very much and I wish all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. And BMC is actually doing amazing job. I would request to sir to please felicitate few of our important recipient of the awards. आपने देखा होगा कि there are people who are actually working towards the environment, but there are people actually fighting for the right thing. कुछ दिनों पहले कुछ हादसा हुआ and the women came out on street to fight for the right. The bravery award goes to Ravina Tandon ji to please come on stage for all the good work fighting for a common man. Ravina Tandon ji to please मंच पर आए. Bhushan Gagrani ji and Mr. Nadir Godrej to please give away the award. And Mrs. Pallavi Choksi ji for all the good work for the environment she has been doing. ये गांव-गांव जाकर के लोगों के बीच में. And this award by Mr. Nadir Godrej and all to Pallavi ji. Yeah, yes, yeah. Thank you so much. अब मैं Rishabh and Vardhaman Choksi to please join this. Few more felicitation. I would request Mrs. Neha Jaktiani ji also to please come and award and receive the award from Mr. Nadir Godrej and Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji. Team Bestseller to please come up and receive the award from Bestseller. Team Mufti, Mr. Tushar Malhotra ji from Bisleri to please receive this award. from Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji and Mr. Nadir Godrej ji from Bisleri. This award by Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji to Neha Jagtiani ji. I request Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji to please felicitate our eco jams actually, Mr. Harsh Gupta, Shreya Godawat, Paulmi Sangvi and Lucky Marani ji. Yes, yes, absolutely. Okay. And a very special award to Mr. Neeraj Roy, Hangama team by Mr. Nadir Godrej and Bhushan Gagrani ji. To Bollywood Hangama team, the founder, Mr. Neeraj Roy. I request Mr. Nadir Godrej to present this small momentum from the Bamla Foundation to Mr. Neeraj Roy. Mr. Gaur Gopal Das ji, Ravina Tandon ji, Asif Bamla ji present this special moment to Mr. Nadir Godrej ji from the Bamla Foundation for all the work it doing in sustainability. A big round of applause to Mr. Nadir Godrej, the entire Godrej team, the Godrej community for supporting this
A very
noble
big round of
cause.
applause to Mr. Nadir Godrej. A very big round of applause to Mr. Nadir Godrej. Thank you so much, Mr. Godrej, on all the work on sustainability that you've been doing. Shan, you remember we were talking about Mr. Nadir Godrej. So you are an inspiration even now to all the youngsters and everybody. We are so honored that normally Mr. Godrej, it's very difficult to, with his busy schedule, to remove a time. But sir, when he heard that the Honorable Commissioner is coming, and when he knew that we have the blessings of the Mahanagar Palika for a cause like this, he totally accepted to come here for this. Mrs. Chokshi, thank you so much and hearty congratulations for all the good work you've done. Parvez bhai, Subodh bhai, आप पीछे हो लेकिन फिर भी नजर आते हो. हाँ, पीछे रहने वाले ज़्यादा नजर तो थोड़ा सा आप आगे आइए. हमारे HMA के हमारे भाई साहब भी यहाँ आए all the way from Delhi. So all of them, and Shan, once again, हमारा main program तो 11 को. Let me tell you, this song of Bhumi Namaskar, आज आप लोगों ने उसका टाइटल और उसका जो पोस्टर है उसका अनावरण देखा. इसकी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस 11 को है एट दी हंगामा ऑफिस. सार्वजनिक रूप से मैं कह रहा हूँ तो आपने सिक्योरिटी और व्यवस्थाओं का बंदोबस्त कर दीजिएगा. तो 11 तारीख को ये गाने का अनावरण है जिसमें अभिषेक, वरुण धवन सारे इसमें इन्वॉल्व है. शान ने बहुत खूबसूरत गाया. अमन, अ वेरी बिग हैंड टू अमन. आई वुड वांट Shan is a host, so Shan, you please give a sapling to Aman, because Shan को हम sapling दे ये मुनासिब नहीं है. तो Shan अपने मुबारक हाथों से अमन को सम्मानित करे, क्योंकि संगीतकार ही एक संगीत की लय को जान सकता है. और थैंक यू सो मच अमन जी. दिस इज अ ग्रेट थिंग एंड थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी. लकी जी नमस्कार. हाउस मोहम्मद भाई इज बिजी. Thank you, sir. Guruji, thank you so much. People want to hear you more though. I got few messages that Gaur Gopal Das ji, along with the Honorable Commissioners, again giving an award, re-giving an award to Subodh ji. A very big round of applause to Runwal Group for always standing strong on causes of sustainability for the environment and with the environment. Thank you so much.
So one small sapling to the trophy to Mr. Aman Pan by Mr. Nadir Godrej. This small Aman Pan ji.
Aman ji is going to get an award for doing such a beautiful musical score. हमें देना चाहिए था 11 को, लेकिन नादिर सर नहीं आएंगे तो मैंने कहा आप अभी ले लीजिए. हाँ, 11 को सर के दो डेट्स 3 दिन में नहीं मिल सकते. हमारा सौभाग्य कि एक ही हमें बड़े मुश्किल से मिल गया. So we are blessed that we got this. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everybody. We really thank everybody for. Share should be around. Share your.
I think the sapling for Lucky Marani ji actually was here.
Click up picture. All the delegates who are on stage, I request you all to kindly come together for a picture. Because
जी, please, आप आगे आइए.
memories होते हैं.
Where's Shan?
Mr. Rohit Pandit actually to receive the last award.
Ravina ji, Neeraj ji, Nader Godrej ji, every single person, thank you so much for being with us on stage.
फोटो वायरल हो.
For all of you, ये performance भी is from the Shamak Dawat Dance Academy students. This performance, जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि जितने भी परफॉर्मेंसेस यहाँ पर हो रहे हैं, दे आर ऑल कमिंग अप विद अ मैसेज. तो इस परफॉर्मेंस का भी एक मैसेज है, एंड द मैसेज फॉर दिस वन इज what we are all over here for. It is भूमि नमस्कार. तो आप जानते हैं, you know what the drill is. It is only जब हमारे स्टूडेंट स्टेज पर आने वाले होते हैं, जब मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ कि आप उन्हें थोड़ा प्रोत्साहित करें, थोड़ा खुश करें. बिकॉज सी, आपके सामने यहाँ पर खड़े होकर परफॉर्म करना या आपसे बात करना स्टेज पर, इट्स नॉट अ वेरी इजी थिंग. सो हमारा फर्ज है कि हम उनको थोड़ा फ्रॉम चर्च गेट, फ्रॉम सोबो, साउथ बॉम्बे साइड, पुट योर हैंड अप एंड मेक सम नॉइज. ठीक है, तो आप मेरे 3 डिविजन समझ गए, राइट? वीव गॉट सोबो, वीव गॉट बैंड्रा एट द सेंटर एंड वीव गॉट सबर्ब्स. हम लोग एक छोटा सा कंपटीशन करते हैं बिफोर आवर नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मेंस. आई वांट टू सी कि कौन से हिस्से में सबसे ज्यादा ताकत है. लेट्स स्टार्ट. आई वांट ऑल द सोबो गाइस टू मेक सम नॉइज.
साउथ बॉम्बे, कम ऑन.
क्या बात है, लव द स्पिरिट मैम. ऑलराइट, वेरी नाइस. ऑल द पीपल फ्रॉम सबर्ब्स, मेक सम नॉइज. Alright, finally, बैंड्रा की जितनी भी जनता है, make some noise. Clearly, बैंड्रा का पल्ला काफी भारा है, लेकिन हम सब मुंबई से हैं, and most importantly, ना सिर्फ मुंबई या महाराष्ट्र से, we are from India. We are Indians, and that is what defines us, our temperament, our personality. Chaudhary, ladies and gentlemen, give her a huge, huge, huge round of applause, because जब तक आपकी vibe नहीं होगी, she's not gonna come on stage. A huge round of applause for Sophie Chaudhary.